Hello guys, you're welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Moking. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove green screen from your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, green screens are often used in post-production to separate your background from your subject. So right here, I'm going to import a green screen footage to my timeline. Let's assume we have a green screen video that we have already shot. So the idea right now is to remove this green screen and use a background that suits what we are trying to present. Now over here I have a video that shows a news presenter speaking, and for this to look real I have to bring in a virtual news background into my video. So the next thing you're going to want to do is to move to your effects panel over here, scroll down to your video effects, then scroll down to keying. Now under keying, you want to select the Ultra key and drag it right on top of my green screen footage. And in my Effects Control tab over here, you can see Ultra key has been added. So you want to select on this pen tool right here. And what you do is hover this pen tool around your green screen. I will take it to the point that is closest to my subject, and then I will select the green screen. What this is going to do is that it's going to automatically remove everything that has green in your background. So the next thing you want to do is to come to your settings here and select your default. You may want to change the intensity, so you might select relaxed. What this does is it's going to affect the intensity of the ultra key effect in pulling out the green screen from your video. You might also want to put aggressive, and then it's going to remove any other fades of greens that may still be showing around your video. Another thing you want to do, in case if you have different shades of green and the ultra key seems to be taking out some parts and not taking out all the parts of the green, what you want to do is to drag another ultra key on top of your footage, and you will notice another ultra key has popped up. So if you have some greens that are still pending somewhere in a situation where your green screen was folded, you will want to select the ultra key once again and select that portion out. For example, if I select this and I hit on this white, automatically you will notice I've taken out another shade of color. I initially took out green, but now I've taken out white. But I'll go ahead and delete that. So the next thing you want to do now is to move over to your mate generation property over here, select it down, and with this you can further fine tune the level of keying that is being done to your green screen. So you will notice that the background has gone black, but no worries. The reason why it's black is because there is no background around it. The ultra key has completely removed the background. So the next thing you want to do is to add a background to it. So I'm going to drag in a background under my green screen footage. I have my green screen footage in my video track 2. So I'm going to drag in another footage into my video track 1 over here. And automatically you can see that we have already added a news background to it. So if you want to give this more feel to look like a news, you can go ahead and add a breaking news graphics. I have a custom breaking news graphics over here that I just designed. So I can go ahead and move this to the beginning, and if I hit play, you will see that we have created a news background over here. So if I play this now from the beginning to the end, you'll see what it looks like. All right, so I'm noticing right now that there seems to be a space down here. So I'll probably want to select my video here, go to Effects Control, and move this position a little bit downward. And if I hit play now, everything is properly aligned. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done that. And don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys.